today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your lead vocal into the choir effect. So in this project right here, I'm faced with a bit of a challenge. There's this part right here in the mix. It's only one vocal and it sounds a little bit boring. So I'm thinking of what to do with it. Also feel like the choir effect might work. So let me just play the project so that you see what's going on.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Naongoza, 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 yeah.
So this is the part right here. In order to achieve the choir effect, sometimes it works best if you just record a bunch of vocals in the studio at different distances. But right now, we only have one vocal. So we can use a plugin called Avox. So what I'm going to do is duplicate my lead vocal because all my vocals are coming to this one group. So I'll simply just duplicate this to make a copy of it. Then I'll just rename this to choir. And I'm going to send this particular vocal here to this group. So I'll send it to choir here. In this choir group that I've just created, I'll go to my mixer here. At the end of my vocal chain here, I'm simply going to add Avox Choir, this one right here. So the default is basically okay. You can choose how many vocals you want right here. So we'll start with 8 and see how it goes. So the vibrato is perfect at 30. Then we've got the stereo spread. So you can find a sweet spot by simply doing that. Then for these other things, you can leave them like this. They're perfect the way they are. Let me just try to play the vocal without the plugin. So I'll solo the vocal.
Naongoza, naongoza,
So now this is the vocal with the plugin.
naongoza. Naongoza, naongoza.
So we can try to select some vocals here.
Naongoza, naongoza, naongoza.
I know it may not sound like much, but we're going to do something to make it sound more choir. I'll switch on the beat and let's just play this.
Naongoza, naongoza.
I think it sounds great right there. I'll just come to the channel and just below, I'm simply going to add this plugin called OneKnob to just add just a bit of reverb on the channel and not on the group right here. Push this, let's say about 4. Okay, let's try to see how it joins.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Play around with the plugin, make a few adjustments. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. My name is Che. See you in the next video. Peace.